All right, it's August now, so we can put July behind us and hope for better things.
And I love August usually. I mean,
I do too.
The days do get a little shorter, but usually we get some great summer days. And I think today will be a pretty good one.
Okay.
So we got that going for us. Take a live look this morning. What a start. This is up on Sebec Lake. Beautiful blue sky. Now, not everywhere waking up to the crystal clear sky like we have here. We do have some clouds down over southern Maine, but I do think we'll see some sunshine through the morning. What a swap the last couple of months have been, though. Usually when I tell people who are coming to Maine, when they're trying to pick a month to come, I say don't come in June because it's usually wet and cool. But in this case, June was hot, July was not. We got almost 10 inches of rain in the month of July. So we're going to tap the brakes a little bit as far as the water goes in the weeks ahead. Here's a look at the temperatures this morning. We're in the 50s to around 60 right now, but the big story is the comfortable humidity. Dew points are in the lower half of the 50s. Visible satellite shows most of the state nice and sunny through central, eastern, northern Maine. We do have some cloud cover over southern parts of the state, but I think some of this will start to break up and we'll see some sun mixing in at least through lunchtime or so before thicker clouds arrive this afternoon. And there are some showers moving through upstate New York, approaching the Champlain Valley in New York and Vermont, and some of those showers will approach us by the end of the day. But most of us get a dry day, temperatures in the mid 70s. Again, average high is 80, so it is on the cooler side for this time of the year, but still pretty nice outside. Tonight, clouds, showers, downpours, maybe even a rumble of thunder. I think the heaviest rain tonight will be in the mountains. Lows tonight will be in the 50s. Maybe around 60 in York. Not quite as cool as the last few nights for sure. And then tomorrow we start out pretty damp with clouds and showers, but I do think some breaks of sun develop in the afternoon. And the warmest weather tomorrow will be in southern Maine, getting into the mid 70s, eastern Maine upper 60s to lower 70s, where we'll hang on to more clouds tomorrow. We'll go through the timeline. Here we are at noon, clouds spreading north, but I do think we get some sun farther south. 3 o'clock, still dry outside of the mountains, maybe a shower in Coos, Oxford, or Franklin counties this afternoon. The rest of us, though, in pretty good shape. By 6 o'clock this evening, heavy rain, some storms over in New Hampshire. Could actually be some flash flooding problems in New Hampshire tonight. Then by 9 o'clock, those downpours and storms working into western Maine. Midnight over central Maine, but notice still at midnight, eastern Maine is dry. So you go the entire day dry in eastern Maine. Then by tomorrow morning, we wake up to clouds, showers, temperatures in the 60s. Tomorrow afternoon, we'll see some brightening, but that could trigger an additional shower or thunderstorm in southern Maine tomorrow afternoon. It's kind of an unsettled day, but the afternoon will turn out to be a little bit better. Then on Tuesday, high pressure builds in. We're in good shape then with sunshine, temperatures into the 70s. On Wednesday, I think we're in pretty good shape, but there will be a system just offshore. Right now, almost all indications are it will stay there, but let's watch it just in case. At the moment, I think both Wednesday and Thursday will be dry. Seas today around 2 feet with a southwest wind 5 knots, becoming southerly this afternoon. So clouds tend to increase as the day goes along. Chance for a shower late. Highs are in the 70s. Pretty good Sunday overall. Showers, downpours, and storms move in tonight. Scattered showers tomorrow. Decent weather though. Tuesday through Thursday, I think we'll have highs between 75 and 80 with a mix of sun and clouds. Chance for some showers on Friday. I do think we may get that out of here for next weekend. It may actually kick off a warming trend. It's way off in the distance, but everything's starting to suggest next weekend could be warmer.
No way.
Right?
No way.
I'll believe it when I see it.
I know, exactly. Don't get our hopes up too high just yet, but that would be nice.
It would be.
That would be nice.